there are a number of things that we're particularly proud of at Loughborough University. Our engineering is one, our links with industry are another. One of the things that we have at the heart of what we do is working in partnership. An example of that is working with the Manufacturing Technology Centre or other catapults around the country. But if we look at our work that has the greatest impact, it's work that brings partners together. And today I'm delighted as the Vice-Chancellor to be launching the Industrial Policy and Insight Centre. This is one of those moments where we can really capitalise on what's good about this university, but also what's good about many of our partners. And it's by bringing together in this one centre all of those people that can add an interesting dimension through collaboration, through interdisciplinarity and through working with others that we're proud to be supporting at Loughborough. So I'm delighted to be part of the launch. I really look forward to what this centre is going to be contributing, not just to the university, but nationally through working with our partners. And of course, I wish everybody every success in this venture for the future.